This is my grandfather's crescent wrench. He taught machining at a technical college. He painted the ends of his wrenches red to identify them as his. I decided I'd like to carry on that tradition too. So these are my wrenches I'm going to dip. I like the detail that my grandfather had of having the paint on an angle, so I'm going to replicate that on these wrenches. With my wrench marked, it's time to dip. The rust-stopped oil-based enamel should do the trick. I expect it to wear in and flake just like my grandfather's did. If it was good enough for him, it's good enough for me, and it's good enough for a wrench.